Welcome back to Future Cars Updates, your go-to destination for the most exciting previews of upcoming vehicles. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome. A perfect blend of Scandinavian design, electric, innovation, and futuristic comfort. This motorhome is redefining what it means to travel in style. Volvo has long been known for safety, technology, and clean design. But now, they've taken all of that and put it on wheels. Big wheels. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a luxury home on the move. Whether you're heading into the wild or cruising along the coast, this motorhome promises to be your ultimate companion. At first glance, the exterior is unmistakably Volvo, sleek, minimalist, and aerodynamic. The front features signature LED headlights, a sculpted grille, and smooth body lines that make it look more like a futuristic SUV than a traditional motorhome. The large panoramic windows give it a spaceship-like vibe, while offering stunning views of the outside world. It's built on an extended electric platform, making it not only powerful but also emission-free. Underneath, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome uses the latest version of Volvo's electric drive system, offering a range of over 500 kilometers on a single charge. Fast charging capabilities ensure you're back on the road in under an hour, and with built-in solar panels on the roof, it can even power itself while parked. The battery management system is smart and efficient, optimizing energy use for both driving and living. Inside, it's like stepping into a premium Scandinavian apartment. Every inch is thoughtfully designed, from the sustainably sourced wood finishes to the soft-touch upholstery. The layout includes a spacious lounge area that converts into a bed, a compact but fully equipped kitchen, and a futuristic bathroom with water-saving technology. Lighting, temperature, and entertainment can all be controlled via a touch panel or voice commands. One of the most impressive features is the smart driving assistant. With semi-autonomous driving technology, the motorhome can handle highways and complex routes, giving you a more relaxed journey. There's even a retractable steering wheel that hides away when the auto drive is active, turning the front cabin into a chill lounge. Volvo has also prioritized sustainability in every aspect of this motorhome. Many of the materials used are recycled or plant-based. The air filtration system purifies incoming air, great for allergies and dusty routes. Even the water system recycles grey water for toilet use, reducing waste and conserving resources. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is expected to launch in select markets in late 2025, with a global rollout in 2026. Pricing hasn't been officially announced yet, but experts expect it to compete in the premium motorhome segment. So if you're someone who loves road trips but doesn't want to compromise on comfort or eco-friendliness, keep your eyes on this one. The future of travel could very well look like the 2026 Volvo Motorhome. Thanks for watching Future Cars Updates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more futuristic rides coming your way.